how to stop your Apple Watch from turning off. So let's get started. If you're new on this channel, consider subscribing for more tutorials and videos like this one. Okay, so there might be more reasons why it is happening. So your Apple Watch might turn off simply because, your wake duration is set too low. So on your iPhone, when you go to the Watch app and check out a display and brightness, at the bottom we have the wake duration. So you can choose it to be either 15 seconds or 70 seconds, which seem like arbitrary numbers and probably are, but like 70 seconds is much longer than 15 seconds. So if you switch it to that, then the Apple Watch will not turn off as soon as 15 seconds pass, right? So that is like a one thing to keep in mind. Outside of that, in the same section, we also have the always on display, which is a little bit of a different thing. It's just making sure that the screen never fully goes black, and you will still see some basic information like the time or some notifications or complications based on how you set it up and choose it here. But that is another way how you can make sure that the Apple Watch will never turn off. But if you just don't want the Apple Watch to turn off because, of low battery, make sure to utilize the low power mode in the control center so you can extend the horizon of the battery usage. So if you're like running low on battery, like 20% or so, make sure to enable it so the Apple Watch doesn't turn off, and you can make it be functional for longer. So let me know what you think about that below. Let me know if we managed to fix the issue for you. Subscribe for tutorials and videos similar to this, and I'll talk to you later.